Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the passcode lock to the expenses application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the this settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and tap on privacy. Tap on passcode lock in the right side. And then you should purchase the Expenses Pro in order to set the passcode lock. You should tap on this unlock button down below. Then purchase the Expenses Pro, and after that you will be able to turn on the passcode. Just simply tap on this button, and if you would like to enable Touch ID, just tap on the Touch ID button too, and then it will be turned on automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.